Hello, people. So, this is yet another nice, bright new day, and I'm in Tirupati right now. God has been so kind, but that's what in the past 1 week I had been to Rajamandri, then Vijayawada, now Tirupati. So, it's today, from basically that's what I'm like I said, I'm here, part of this Art of Living program to help rural youth, to give them employable skills. So it's like, so that's what here. It's such a beautiful place, and right now I'm going to be walking towards the Swami Vivekananda Center. So I'm looking forward to that. And even as I'm recording, I have people staring at me, wondering what I'm up to. But this I'll put it on my channel, so then that'll be a, you know, having any channel on YouTube always helps. So that's what. So this is, I can't speak for longer, and because I'll set off for this, I don't think I'll be allowed to do any kind of shooting in any kind of recording in the Swami Vivekananda Center. That's why I'm here. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.